पूछना चाहती हूँ अभिषेक राय जी आपसे। सवाल सिर्फ इतना है कि काशी से कन्याकुमारी रिश्ता भारत की संस्कृति में और भारत की स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बहुत गहरा है और आज से नहीं है, कई सेंचुरीज से है। The question is, if the Prime Minister goes to Kanyakumari, why does the opposition become so restless that it has to go to the Election Commission? आपको राम मंदिर नहीं जाना है, आप प्राण प्रतिष्ठा पर निमंत्रण मिलने पर भी नहीं गए। अखिलेश जी को नहीं जाना था राम मंदिर, वो अयोध्या के बॉर्डर तक गए, अयोध्या नहीं गए, राम मंदिर नहीं गए। ये उनकी अपनी इच्छा थी। लेकिन अगर प्रधानमंत्री की इच्छा स्वामी विवेकानंद के वहां जाकर साधना करने की है, तो विपक्ष को इतनी चिंता क्यों, इतना डरते आप क्यों हैं 4 जून से, और क्या होने वाला है 4 जून?
लेट मी टेल यू, आपने एक पंच लाइन कही थी, यू टोल्ड मी अ पंच लाइन दैट मोदी सर, I will call him sir because he's the honorable Prime Minister of India. I do have a respect for him. And what he called, he's doing meditation. He's not doing meditation. He's doing modification. The word is modification, but he's doing modification. He just want to pretend what he want to show to the media and what he want to imbibe. Why he has to wait for 5 years? Why is the time for the election only? That is the main reason. We are not concerned. We are not harming anybody, and we are not saying about anything about Honorable Prime Minister. But we just want to ask a question. Just a simple question. Being in opposition in Uttar Pradesh and being the strongest opposition in Uttar Pradesh, we just want to ask a question. Where is the employment? Where is the inflation? He came to power not for doing meditation in India. He came to the power for talking of employment. He came to power for talking for inflation.
Fair enough. So Shantanu Gupta, लोगों ने तो देख लिया. People must have made up their minds in the last 10 years whether Prime Minister is delivering on the promises that he made or didn't, deliver on it. The people also know what India has gained and what India has lost in the last 10 years. In which case, Modi ji's meditation should not disturb them at all, because people already know the report card of Modi ji. Last ke 2 दिनों में क्या हो जाएगा? And 30th to 1st is almost like the 0 hour where transition is waiting to happen from this government to the next, whoever that is. In that period, if anybody clicks photographs of Prime Minister or puts it on media, why do they get so agitated and worried?
In fact, I got equally agitated when Rahul Gandhi posted his picture after voting. And there was a Jesus Mary and Jesus Christ photo on the background, right? And I guess BJP did not go to the election commission. See, Narendra Modi is fighting this election like a yagna, like a tapasya. He conducted himself like a tapasya in last 10 years. The way he campaigned for the last 50-60 days. 4 rallies a day, 5 rallies a day, then a road show, multiple interviews, right? And he's giving his ahuti by his blood and sweat. And now he's going for meditation. I think what's the problem? I think it is the fundamental belief of Congress that if he goes to meditation, that will give a signal. The way I gave the signal, Rahul Gandhi gave the signal by putting the photo of Jesus Christ while his voting finger. I think they'll think Modi is giving the finger to the Hindu voters. I think that's their trauma.